In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to the app info of Snapchat. Click on the I button, and this will take you to the app info page. And here, what you'll need to do is to click on the clear data button, which you'll find at the bottom right of your screen, and click on the uninstall button and reinstall the application. Now, if this doesn't work out, what you can do is to head over to Snapchat and click on your profile at the top left of your screen, and this will take you to your profile section. Scroll down and look for my friends. In here, go ahead and unfriend those individuals who aren't that close to you to be able to add more friends on Snapchat. Click on the manage friendship button, which you'll find above the chat and notification settings. Now select remove friend to be able to unfriend this individual on your Snapchat account. Snapchat only allows a maximum of 2,500 friends. Once you have that amount of friends, you won't be able to add or accept more friends on the platform. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.